Odiativus na kwachiro makuru Agacencwire amazina Mbabazi Charity kandi rizoba naro kubanza hebronabro mwenda byo kwa mwenda 2025 nyine Sunday brand ko turkuja kubayisiyaho amakuru ekireki bitureka tubanze tubarice hebisha hamtu
Emitwe y'amakuru ne kushikibwaho
yatunjira umugisha ubwo kwendera umwaka 2025 n'ekitereke cy'umwaka kurwumuru rwa Nyamahembe sako ekirwaha bwa buri umwe kandi kirumwe bihembo nkente embuzi enkoko shukari omuceri soda n'ebindi byinshi
Omugacencwire kireki President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yayanjura ebi government yerekerire gukora ahabo mwaka 2026.
But you don't talk about obugaga, obugeiga, obuguda, lonyo.
Hariho enyanjo muri Kabarore ehindukira amezi gakaba kinyansi.
Kazi wazimbenda. Wamaraniga barya no kubarya bagumbe yagura.
Abantu 15 berarikiriro kubingwa hitaka omuri Kagadi.
Kandi twe turi kuzano ryano. Wasanzemo abandi bataka.
Emitwe y'amakuru yabane kushikitano
n'ekitereke cy'umwaka kurwumuru rwa Nyamahembe sako ekirwaha bwa buri umwe kandi kirumwe bihembo nkente embuzi enkoko shukari omuceri soda n'ebindi byinshi
Mbabazi Charity na kwachiro makuru Agacencwire kandi ne Sunday brand President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni tupabulwa chairman w'ekigombe cha NRM hatariyo narodobsha chibwenchero ya mshanju omubwebembezi erizoba yatongoza manifesto yo eyemyaka 5 kandi yari kuja kutambiriza hemirimo ye eyenchiro yo mwaka 2026 2031 Omukoro gwakorwa had Speak Resort Convention Center Munyonyo kandi manifesto eji heine mpaje mshanju ezirimu okunyweza ebyo kwerinda okureta hentungu kombantu okuhangahanga hebyo bwiga nemirimo okukira munonga ominyeto okutungura obutare no konjera obuhereza ombyanga bitarumwe na Ram Edwin aina makuraga.
The chairman of the NRM party and our future mini to carry the flag to becoming the next president of the Republic of Uganda.
Asante Baba.
I want to thank you for supporting my candidature. First of all, electing me chairman of the NRM again for another 5 years, 2025 to 2031. And then also electing me as flag bearer for presidential contest for the President of Uganda for the period 2026-2031. Thank you so much for the support. I thank my nominators, Dr. Gunda and the Muzukuru from Arua, who nominated me. Now here, with the manifesto, we are not just talking about this manifesto. We are talking about the work of the NRM for Uganda and with Uganda for the last 60 years. However, for today, I will use an ABCDE approach to share with you how we should understand the issues and present them to the people. Because sometimes people talk about too many things and people get confused. What is not covered in the ABCDE here, which I'm going to summarize, is the liberation part. Our theme today of protecting the gains and ensuring a qualitative leap to high middle income status is our logical next step now, given what we have already gone through. Everything we are saying is linked. It is not one thing, they are all linked. And they are all in this manifesto. Now, under A, I have got 7 points, which are what Secretary General Tolong and Biarhanga talked about. What the NRM has given to Uganda has first of been peace. Peace to the country. No war. And security. This has been ensured by you people, the Wananchi, and the UPDF. You, the leaders, you should really know that to strengthen the NRM more and durably, you must do what we in the student movement did in the 1960s when we started the campaign in the cattle corridor. That's why I used to invite you to come to Raikitura. Because that cattle corridor, the people were very, very backward. They were nomadic, poor houses and so on. They had cows, but they had no value. The cattle corridor now is quite prosperous, in spite of the infrastructure not being so good. If you go to Ngoma, the infrastructure is not so good, but people have money there, cars and so on. They can show you that money in Ngoma, Matongo.
Amazina ninge George Matongo, wa Ngoma, Mgongo tuhano gwataka shozi, nandukutaha. Umurimo gwanjye ndi muri isa. Nteze umujya kureba. Nuko itandikira. Tatakanda gente bakubya talubo hagwakidana. Meirisa. Zakanya. Nagura amataka. Nyuse nazo zankorera ibintu kwenda zashubitiza abana. Abana bihereze. Natsuruho. Kabanza umunyankore naje nahindura nk'umwata ngo njungu nuko zahanye nanye nazitunga
On our farm, we collect over 900 liters of milk per day, and a liter costs 800 shillings, which is approximately 21 million per month.
Now there, you are looking at transformation.
Amazina mbanyitatu Musime Deserata omutuze wa Rubirizi district ate yimirira ndi omuseri ya Kizurugo nisima president wa Uganda ayatwire PDM nyo kurangine myaka nkaga nina nkantene chinda tungira haka.
Now you hear that she's 64 years old, she had never owned anything in her life. These are the people you have in your republic. Republic of poor people. Somebody 64 years, she has never owned anything in her life. That's what she was saying.
When President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni hari kutongoza manifesto ye y'2025 ku isi y'2031 amizo munyaja ya Marusu omugombora ya Kasenda mu district ya Kabarore gahindwire rangi gabaga kinyansi n'ingashete green abaturano bacebuza hecurugirire heci kandi amizi bwo munyaja eje nubwo baturano bakoresa ho kumara imyaka minji.
Ebyaro mukaga ebiri mu kibuga A, kibuga B, Muhwezi, Nyakishojwa, Nyabwoya C hamwe na Mutukura omugombora ya Kasenda omu district ya Kabarore nibyo biteganisibwe okuhinduka kwa mizi omu nyanja ya Marusi kandi bashobirwe tibarakumanya ekibiro.
Ekiro kimwe nkabandi aha ndiyo ninyozi ya pishi yanje haizaho abantu abikweta abazungu bine motoka ya double cabin harimo eryato barisindiko mizi eryato kali no mguha omuzungu yagera no mguha hansi okutekereza kwanje ninjira omuzungu kuyagira hansi omejo kwa akatayoki abo kubekizubu nikisana noho cyatandikire kugira ngo ameji gate gatandike kutabuka.
Hariho abarukoza mizaga abarukugira ngo amizaga gatandikire kurwaza abana hamwe no kubaryaryato mubiri bakagumana beyagura
abo kuba wari batamu ebyo kureba mizi byonka nibe kwataho wa mwana yana abana bwe nigamujya kabo umuntu mukuru nigamujya
nigabiru kanisa wabuga no mwana no jangusha arwireho bane kibale garya gamizi so in fact nitaho nka zone nka munana zona nitaha
azi wazimbenda wamara nigabarya no kubarya bagumbe yagura.
Esabite huire abyo magaro mu district ya Kabarore bakashohoza report ngwendwara ya Berhazia eyisize nkundi amanongo magombora gahirire nyanja ya Marusi obwata abantu 36 no bacebirwe bakashanga bine ndwareji kandi nisheberezwa ngo buzubu mbubaza kubana bukomoka hanyanjeji
konkaru yare kushanga ngo omu government ya NRM mu Kabarore district kine mwe bicweke bikubya mizi nkaga yonka benisha abantu government yimukiremu ayamba abantu riyari hata abantu riyari no shanga abantu nubafa abantu bafire Berhazia otafira zimberenda otazimberenda yaguruma mbweno atunko umuntu nuwano mugambira ko burungi bwa NRM umweta kwetegereza
abantu bine burugwa mizo bundi okuyaho nyanje jesiskiri
tekaniza ya government either ka treating amizi ganu abantu bakataha miza gari safe. We are not safe to safe tino ko kutugira ngo turi safe aside nemwe abo kuba nebijuma bya Berhazia byonka abantu babimera nibabakubi hati kiretera bumwe kubyeganya kubimera hato shanga abana bamwe no shanga bazimbere mida nabo barimu abana nibagururuma banga kukura
gacha kajina nsingwiri
Wabare Jonathan Sengwire abatura barukurengo mu 15 berarusiriro kubingwa hitaka bwanyuma yo mukazomwe kugira ngo nerye kandi ngwayine necapa charyo abantu batura mugombora ya chaterekera home district ya Kagadi
Antaba kurenga 15 okurwa mu byaro mukaga mutawuno kanso ya cyaterekera mu district ya Kagadi bayone bakwatana biragara bwanyuma ya Agacencwire urugendo okushaba ngo baryo mu itakadye ngo ayine n'icyapa cyaryo abantu bana bajya bakagura itakeri emyaka mingi nyuma kandi ahibari niho barukumanya nko wabo tarho handona
no kubwiki kiri kutubabaza nukureba imyaka tumaze hano Ryanda kandi twe turi kuza hano Ryanda twasanzemo abandi bataka abakonjo abamba buri muntu buri rurimi rwose abaruru abaswayire buri muntu twese dutangatanganira hano Ryanda kandi tuba batuzi beza duhinga za kokowa duhinga buri kimwe cyose
nabwo cyenyewe ndashasha habo kureba nyo hano niho nzarirwe niho nkurire baitu ndashasha munonga kureba ngo hayizirabe byapa abari kututalibaniza ngo barenda kututwara he bibanja byitu kandi itwe twina hano aho gukora cyaho kuza sazino twine nyonkanye hano nyine myaka 52 eyimazire muri Ryanda munuya
Eno Katembo mukuru w'entebe yo kubanza wa Ryanda nagira ngo inshongeji eteganisa abatura n'abature mutume behankiri
nabo ekyo nikibuniriza wali bwire wa kiru cya mukaga umuto na teresimu ngo nanda kubaza nanyenje bwire bukeire kya sande sanka mwenda nobo na umuto na teresimu nangambira ngo nuwe korugendo Agnes nangambira habataka baruge omuchape kiyaye so korugendo Agnes gata kumumanya none hiro no busungu bukorango korugendo Agnes ugamba turugo muitaka na gana mujunana borabira mu office na nyeze rukukiraho
twizire ntumukaguza obwa kaiso obukole cyante ine chapa amazire kulemo tabwine habo ensonga itwe nkabataka titukamurora hoga kandi nitwikiriza 10 nti mufere nayenda kwiba itakalia itu abandi nyine myaka 3 nzalirwe hano tinyina hando waitu hona hato bwakwija kagamba atubingi ntutekereza nti obwire obwempero yaitu kufa bukozireke bwikira bukwa nitugenda kufera hano tuzikwe hano
okutinisiza kubinga abantu amataka gabo nuko yongera mucyangeeki kandi ekiresero kutino mubatura
enshonga ya korugendo Agnes amazima genyene kumanyisa ngo ecyari kugamba tarakimanya abo kuba itakalinuya tukaba twatonganireho mu koti kandi umushango twagusinga gatongana n'umukuru Rafael kandi umushango twagusinga mu high court Masindi kandi ebyapa bino kaba amazire kubitera tukabasa kukwata twayikiraniza na government president yaturaganisa okubasa compensatinga abantu abo
okutinisiriziba okwa mataka twikaire twino businge hano tutaine kitumanyire ngo tuli muitaka balyoha emyaka eyemazire hano kuruga mwaka gwa 9 tukaba tutakafunaga muntu wena kugamba ngo hano hawaye oba tuli muitaka eritali lyaitu
bana bastinka simire omnyishengero wabo yanga hosti atiro musavuye kwetegereze birukwata cyapeki kandi nagera ngo pefe mpango etwire nerwana n'enshonga y'ebyapa kandi ngo president Museveni akikiriza kugura ebyapebi
imyaka atari yale munonga kuba atize n'ebyapa twayeterere nduru president Museveni yayikiriza ngaraza kukora ikintu kibaleta kushumbusha abaterize byapa abagarize sete ziba spendingire hata ejo process runde ejo process yatwarubwire burengwa ababine byapa batandika kubiguza ki
ugama ngo mve mutaka ryanje ngaruke gisoro hangifite y'ubwicaro kugira ngo mve gisoro mve hano ngaruke gisoro hakiri nakwemera bakanyica n'abana banje no kubwicyo ndi gusaba government ya Museveni nzi Museveni katurwanyeho mubonye kari kuduha za PDM sende za parish modo nizo twahinzemo imyanyi nizo twahinzemo za kokowa nizo duhinzemo ibitoki
taka nitekereza actually tutukumanya obwingi bwitaka baitu tuli village zetu zinu zichali nkotokoto ziri village almost mukaga ezinyakula affected nitunihiramu abantu abakuhingura mu 15
Agacencwire urugendo kugambwaho nagira ngo cyapeki amaze na myaka 20 kandi ngo hati nubwo bwira koresi itakari
ubwire bwinge hati nje nkayijayo myaka cyane mareza na cyange cya ekitaka cyange kitari mu bantu bakurimamo we nagarukiro guruti nasanga bari mireke hati nyowe mbirene mu process yo kubemereza abantu abo
ebyaye bukwasuruho nakatoma Ryanda NB tutumba Moses NB katerera A na B kandi obwo harimu abantu abari kurenga 50 gashoka Thomas Tumwebaze.
Thomas tumwebaze. Abebembezi baza district bashaba government kutekateka hanshonga zo kubonjera umushara. Abantu bagira ngo bateganisibwa munonga kwebembera abantu abo bari kukizo umushara abari kubakizo umushara omurimo ba DC abo government eherize konjera umushara ekajita aha miliyoni 12 buri kwezi.
Abebembeza babahaye inshonga zabo zo kushashurwa sentenche omurukiko rw'ebiro bibiri rwo kuganira hambarira yihanga orwigo rwa herizo baha Las Vegas Hotel omurembo Mbarara.
Twine problem ya mishara itakwingana hati wazo mu district imbaza kwecho kurebera hati kawo natunga miliyoni 10 konga mukama weche yamani natunga miliyoni 1 mutwaro nshanga DHO ushanga natunga miliyoni 6 hachi yamana riyari yemwe nshanga ushanga ngo ugomborora kwiza accounting officer ate sub county revenue natunga mutwaro 9 so nabwo echo tukashaba government ngube enhancing emishara
hata wachikare kawo mukama this person cow reporting to this chairperson. This chairperson nafuna miliyoni 2.5 kusara mtufuna net salary ya miliyoni 2.5 mkawo kawo bamutira miliyoni 12 n'emtwaro hato yubuza hato mkamano gambira bishemwe
Orukiko rumu bakuru b'entebe za katano ba RDC ba kawo n'abandi bebembezi okurwa mu district ezirumu Bushenyi Buhwejo Shema Rubirizi hamwe na Kitagwenda.
We appeal to the president kandi hata ichirize hata sente yatayo 2 billion so ninde ateka 2 billion basereza buri district and municipality zabasa okugiye kizakora konka nabwe twine challenge echi. We are going to get 2 billion, yes. Koko twatunga 2 billion, twine machinery.
Shema district netunga around 28 billion per financial year. Zo supportinga emirimo ya government mu district. Esente ezo where hari ekiziri gukora konko post ziri kumana. For instance, comme byo mwegese no shanga ibyombeko biri kubi mnonga toilets yo kombeshera abana toilets na classrooms rehabilitating ezimwe ziri kubi like for instance hari icyo kibagambe cha accommodation y'abashomesa ibi byona turukora kurungi
hona babasha bwo kugumiseriza bagumiza government neja kushikiriza buri kimwe.
So members, requesting for your patience. When we get resources, all of us are going to have our salaries enhanced.
We are proposing to have even debt financing to ensure that we procure the full equipment and also supply municipalities and cities, and at the same time give those supervision vehicles. So everything is in plan. We are just working with finance.
Ministry by'esente eriyo netoro rihanga ryona okubugana bebembezi baza government zebyanga okubebuza henshongeza rukuteganise byanga byabo kiyambe government yabane korembarira yihanga gasha kwa Abdul Karim Sengendo.
Wabere Abdul Sengendo ntonjera kubirsi ngo bare vita barunji mutakaferwa ompira gwito gurukuje kuba guruho ahizo bariya independence ntusha kuba turi high global high school turi abatwina beshongozi batari bamwe na bamwe baburengerwa izuba and then tuje kugiraho ompira gwaba boda boda abambara city barukwatana na ba makanika bambara city and then ntonjera kuba bazabona batutiriye musente omuri abo twina ba Mwisako twina ba Mwisako Ariana Junior School and then twine na Embogo Drink nabandi bona batire musente so izoberyo making a strong to aferwa wabasa kuja kwerebera ompira ihangweryo reka tumere ho ntujagarukane bindi agarukurataho abine taranta zitarukushana basima government okubatera sente omusako yabo omurimbara
tuzikuruga PDM secretariat ninge myoga in projects nyingi za web.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Skylight Hotel, restaurant uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City. Ahi barukereza breakfast, ngakatogo, omelette, Rolex, shumbusha, chapati, chai yamate, eyo mukaru, akatunda ko murembe nebindi.
Bineona chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi hangwe. Nibateke nkoko, embuzi, echenyanja, muchamo, obushaza, akaro, echitoche, echozi, emondi, greens, obutura, eshwiga, kande echo kunywa. Nichigenderaho.
Hey, manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe. Aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City. Breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira.
Bine bara yo murembe. Pool table, sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel ne shangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kache aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete. Ijukangu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera note mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga note mushanje note mukaga 36 36 33.
Nyebiti kubyenda.
Penkoni.
Yakwera utamuhimu mudu nokora ekikire wanyompenkoni. Wanyompenkoni nushumura kushemererwa urubunuzi na nobusinje. Nuenda kuchamuka mpenkoni.
Legenda yakintu cyo kunywa chonka.
Mpenkoni ne kwamani uhindiko mushija nyishija. Mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje. Teri kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa umutwe.
Sinza kutambura. Ngasinywede ku mpenkoni. Ukakasi. Kwata. Nawe nywako
tunge icupa yawe hati omumaduka gakuri hihi no mabarago no mwihanga iwo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi
mpenkone wakinkorire.
It's a great day here in Toro, in Fort Portal City. 2 of our customers have won school fees for a year, and this campaign is still ongoing.
Sazinu mpanguire nsingulire kisembo echa school fees echo mwaka gumu kandi kisemize muno sya nyao pressure eyo mwana onde omu urani msasuru mwaka nikimanyisa abana beja kusoma kurungi kandi bataine buzubu bwona no mega akanyunyuzi mukaga 5 akanyunyuzi 80 hash yandetera yandagiro school pay kandi niterera bazaire bona basasule kuraba mu MTN momo kandi twene kibakuferwa MTN momo ya mazima long live MTN Uganda Limited.
Ikintu cyo kunywa
aza mwana bategerize ubundi
konka mwami mazumorya hano bari bategerize mu mbagano mangwe shazakire wansugo mu motoka riyo nenyusi yo guje hakunywa
mucyara unam utatinda ndenda ngubije bakuroze hakunandanywa uriye cyatuma naguma hano joka mufundurira kahurire
konka mwami tera cy'abantu wembaga akongeze yo nako kishahe ito twe tuyon tuno diplomate akatuka kanuzira hanga waje
ukanyiha ambi mucyara nabagine diplomate ebindi byayenda bireje bigende nabagine n'intere ekorwa ba diplomate habo America Limited ekozi ko mu mugusha entangawuzi inanasi ukochi ihamigwa ba UNPS.
Mothers of Africa.
Mama, will I ever be the best doctor in Uganda?
Well, you've got to be like a geisha bar. Staying strong and go on so far. Never give up till you reach your goal.
Okay, Mama. I'll be strong and go so far. Lasting long like this geisha bar.
It's strong and lasts long.
Like geisha.
Hayes recruitment experts jobs abroad n'amashemerwa mingi n'abatabarusi abona abafuna visas bakatambura kandi benjera kuvanyisa abantu mwena ngw'emihendo yabo ebachazire mpaka miliyoni 2.9 mega discount byona biwire harimo visa air ticket emishana mirungi munonga okora cyenyonyi omu Dubai emiromo nkaba customer service airport security aviation stewards check-in agents, landing grounds guides, and aircraft cleaners. Okuhandisa no kwabusha ahamirimo yona ahamataji gabogona.
Esimu note mushanju ina note emwe ibiri ishatu ina itanu mukaga ninga note mushanju ina itanu ninga note mushanju ina note rukumi.
Iwe na Christmas y'umwaka ogu mwine kushayina yetunjira umugisha ubwo kwendera umwaka 2025 n'ekitereke cy'umwaka ku rugumuru rwa Nyamahembe sako ekiruha bwa buryomwe kandi kirumwe bihembo nkente embuzi enkoko shukari omuceri soda n'ebindi byinji okwenda kubomwe mu baraye hangurira ekitereke cy'umwaka ogu kiriro mataji gitu nkitaje rukuru erukushanga mu rubwizi bwera naganda mataji nkumuri cyenshama kazo omurembo mbarara hamwe n'itaje cyo muri banda harke and N Plaza ahashungine na kitoke stage oyetunjire account utandike kubika hati rero rebe no hureje kuyakwindukira ubugenyi na rwa Nyamahembe sako gamba nitwe aharizura mushanju 83 kinana na mukaga 23 05 rwa Nyamahembe sako okweterana nubwo busingi.
Emyaka mingi ombazi gwito gwa mino gwa advertisements na fresh up gubire no gutereza kurunji munonga kubasa kurinda mino no kwetantaro kunuka kano na hati gumano okozesa advertisements na fresh up kwenda ngu akanwa kawe kagumeni kahumuraje izoba ryona. Advertisements na fresh up nibikuhereza kawo karunji munonga yejumbiro mbazi ogwa advertisements na fresh up dero oyiyongera kusheko mbantu otine kwetina aha kasente kache munonga hichira za supermarkets n'amaduka gakuri hihi okwetorora ihanga ryona. Advertisements na fresh up ni gombazi gonka ogwo kurinda mino gitu.
Manager ogito wagito konka abantu mu kidara kabatakagiremo MC takiziri DJ achumwe na wiring ebyoma tugumisize shanki ibiri
bantu mwareka turwo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju nizeze zenyune byo ni shara cake tukazakunywa mbogo na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda ningende mbogo yoka oyine mbogo kanaba murugi ayibambe korera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje.
Kurukayo mukahumro habeshongozi habari kugambirira mukoro n'abari kuhereza ahari za radios na za TV zo mcangasha ankole basimo muganda ogu President Museveni abateriro musako yabo. Omuhezi wa RDC abwari kunjira district ya Higabantaba okukolesa obusinjo buri omwihanga okugira kibaye kora.
President Museveni arukurabira umunshaho ya State House ya Presidential Empowerment Fund ahire abarukugambirira amikoro narishiba MC abanyakatemba abeshongozi hamwe nabo abarukugambira arza radio na TV omu programs ebyobutegeki okubahwera omirimo yabo.
The sente tuza associations abaryo mu association ejininga sakweji neza individuals you were selected oiziraha nka individual so otateka ngu neza association zezimwine mbasa kurabira handi konkeji na association y'abantu abamanyire ngunu ba MCs abamanyire ngunu ba entertainers ninga musicians na some panelists abegisire abine sako yabe registered.
President Museveni ko kutumutahaho hati njija kuyongera kimu kandi tubere umuntu mbeni nje tweshara kabusa dera hatu ngumazara na Afrika tubere tumhajira busakunga dera hatu mshiza ngu yajira tati mukwate na akasente mutajo mukavuyo kuri ka LC akaba PDM mutajo mukaviyo maganga imwakanya nakabaretera separate hatogundi umugambo ogu twine songa nawe yitu hano mu region neno ya Western ndumuserera 95% national 8 izawa
omukoro gwo kwasa abantu aba sente ezirukwingana miliyoni gana gwakurwa omwezi wa mukuru w'ihanga ahabwa district ya Rukungiri owabahiga okukozesa kurungi sentezi
tuzikuruga PDM secretariat ningemyoga twine projects nyingi za wepu youth livelihood n'izindi zona konkeza nyeze sente bakubuza ngo zirigire nkai ni mamwara gabamwe abamwe mbaza kore wa lifestyle n'umuntu yagamba yakubuza k'ikibuzo biteze sente ziba bayirene ziriganka presidential empowerment fund
kanye ndakusima munonga ntakebirwe nyenda kusima coordinator wanyu na n'umwami speed ece kintu bakashitama mana munonga niyo bakaza kunterera banjana ngutwenda account twagikora ngo sente za account
yona niteka ngo makuru marunjaga nagito twe n'abaryahana n'abataro konka maruhaha kugira kacyaktebe kanise cyakubasa kutombeka hatana nyencha kare
coordinator w'abantu aba Ashraf Rweshera yahiga abatungire sentezi obutebwa ahibarugiri
wabano mangu sako ya uteka biro register tubara kwesire meeting tumansangu you are not part of this money so tateka ngoro yoko ukateka ngo kwa hori ngoro memba weze sente naenda kubashaba ngo mukozese umugisha rangaguranye guyabahire turondere government age obururu haza kuturaheze region yitu kanye ndamba gambere ninyenda turwane turarent tutambara and I want to tell you ntuza kutamwa mana gatari musente
sima president abo kuba ngo student murondera busari kasongo yatuhereza aka karoni cyo cyonke cyo twa identifying ngo tukozire we don't take it for granted
aba nabo kutandikaho studio ezirabahwere abarukwenda okweshongora no kukora emizano okwiya musente zo kubahwera nde Michael tumwakire abwa TV West Agacencwire
Omuganda makuru abaturo muri Kitagata omurishema South and betombwitira government kurabiro mbebembezi babo ahabo butabafaho okubaisya obuherezo mbyanga byabo abantu bagira ngo abaturo abatura omwirima akandamizi bakamanyira okukoresa byagana ebarukosa n'amatungo gabo
aba babiri bari mu kiganiro okureba aburemezi bw'abatura barukurabamo kandi kibiro mu Kitagata Town Council
Professor Ephraim abantu baborora tubakareba gachikondo cy'amashanyarazi bahumure ababarara tunabatera yiraka kubira yange mutanye kwasabura rokwe
hino ko kubasa gukora na pate otarwa pate ko kuba no robinga okuronda mizi omukoka sikuri yo mu rukiko no botari ko kuba ori Parliament yabane discussing especially ko kase ya NRM omukulobinjira abantu bayo iwe nko muntu no botariyo hati we noisha kugambira cy'abantu kandi noisha kubarobinjira cyo
Professor Ephraim Kamuntu obiena ganira n'abatura na shabatura kwiharo kutera ubururu bw'empiha obukucyumba gizintungu ko mbyanga
hati ngacho kurobu abezo uga ibo bakasi tuyaizo agakomeza Okazi prevayorira mizi abwe bakakwezo kwenda kubo kumteka deche tukokokora mizi tuyayizi bakati
akemyanya imwe agambaho ekorama mizi nkamuhito nkamarembo kandi icyo ngenda kutwara umuco kwebaza amaranchiti ya Kitagata yatangiye gukora programu yo kugira ngo amizi ngirukangaze muhito nareba line zimemba zitimba
Kamuntu najyambwe inshonga y'amizi n'amashanyarazi batangiye kuzikoraho kandi kigenderwa no kusiyo abantu buheriza
Kamuntu akuzire no murusadai ubashi owe bagamaga iwe nungamaga muntu kanore kamusebe abashe wayo owe yanganyire ko mangano shora bano kushira babona we ibo yezwa ni bagabra Wafina musebe kamuta kuzima When you say to Magamas go
Kesha kwa anta tukunda
Anita Tukunda Archbishop wa Homwire Right Reverend Dr. Henry Luko Nombi harabwira abakristayo kwega kusimarahanga ahabwe bari kubakora ubutosha.
Archbishop Olombi abiri na hendero rutayo rwo mu rushenye mpango rubiretewe kanasibwa nkore Western University Kabuhe okumare Sunday yona.
Har heavy to be Jerry said to Gerard.
You go to bed and you lie down.
No, some stand of your
and you sleep. You don't even know what happens. Your nostrils are open, your ears are open. But he who watches carefully, nothing goes into your nostrils.
Umukoro gubiro mu mbuga nkuru zitendekere rya Ankole Western University aho abakurustaye bo busaba dikono bwa Kabuhe bona bateraniro kushaba.
Prayer.
Okusaba.
Releases power.
Nukureta amani.
Prayer.
Okusaba.
Makes it change.
Nukwezezere.
Prayer.
Okusaba.
Allows the heavenly to come on earth.
Wiguru amani gibu.
Prayer.
Okusaba.
Can lift people's hearts.
Yeto abazire Ankole Western University yongere kubasa kukorera. Abandi doshanga bari focusinga hari academics zonka kuko twikiririza kimwe tutari kubanganisa.
Omnyishengero washima municipality Dickson Corners Kateshumbwa arabwira bejo kwetantare bikemebero kwijo munsi.
Batabire ni kimwe. We did not have the lectures we have. Some of us went to senior one without shoes. We did not have the distractions and the information overload that you have now.
Kuchira munonga okubyara suko yokujunwa ombana ba university tenda kusima Archbishop Olombi ahubwo kutwikiriza kuja kuba n'ibyo mu bitu bwa kabiri.
Umugandi abicarizo mu district ye Isingiro bashabira kushomesa abana babo no kwatara haba batine school fees ahabwe ntunguka ya district yabo. Okushaboku kwirwe abanyakaturi cy'abarukurwa mu district y'Isingiro konka barukorera mu town yambarara abarukwegitiro mu kibina cyabe cya Isingiro Catholics Mbarara City Association mu ruzinduko rwabo rumwakogu mu parish ya Kabuyanda. Aba batwerire parish miliyoni z'ukurengina kandi chairman w'ikibina Gerard Turiyasingura agambira abo nci barukwatira amakereziya.
Ikigendwa kitu n'icyo kugira ngo tugarike nyuma twatireho parish zitwazarirwamo.
Tubasaba muze mutujoyininge tukurakuranise kibina kitu na nentunguka omparish 12 ezuru kusanga mu Isingiro.
Kandi nyenda ngo mu izina ryaba basi menase kusima yona ngo ekimwatukorera n'ikikorwa cya rukundo.
Ekibine iki kiruma abashaho abashomesa abashubuzi abanyaberagiro abahumuriza n'abandi.
Ngo mwana wo mwishiki ningo mucyara wabo yino mugisha na munongo mugisha go kushoma oshome obase kutunga cyandi uko kirakwere ukabasa kugira umurimo gwakora.
Aba uruzinduko rwabo rukurataho mu mwaka gw'urukwijana bija kuzomparisha ya Ngarama kandi nibenda kwetorora parish zone 12 ezurikushanga mu district y'Isingiro. Nda Aidan Bataringaya hamwe na Mike Twakire.
Barabashatu bitu bamakuru abeja hande ngo zona bashabwo kurwanirira abazire babo ihari ahabo kwandabunako obo no abo kwandabunako okubaru kuturamo ngo abana babo bakashoma. Ebigambiro hari Busibo SSO Murishema district ubu abashomireyo babire bagarusireyo okuganira nabeja bakiri.
Abashomire Busibo Secondary School omuri Kashozi Division shima municipality nibagiranga beji bingi bashyira amashomero bajarama bwayebwe nako yibazire babo barukura bamu okubashomesa nako kubashaba okurwanirira ihara bazire babo.
Kurwanirira batata banyu ihari
is selling her only one goat to make sure they raise your school fees. And then you come here, you begin urinating.
They used to tell us that you come alone and you leave alone. But when you reach here, you make groups. And some of those groups, some have bad influencers.
Aborekero kwegarakirira okushanga abana babishya bato batandikire kuza akubarira oruzaro n'ingachi family planning.
Vaccine kwa kliniki kugura hasa emergency pills. Really? Do you know the consequences? Do you know what you're causing to your body? I think the family are planning to that. Maybe we don't want to add on because we are trying to run away from the bills. Which bill are you running away from?
We have different co-curricular activities. If you are not involved in any of the groups that are doing something, your mind has a lot of time to think evil.
Abarkwebembera abisibo secondary school basemere abashomera hishomereri okugaruka kureba hibarabiri.
Remains, if these people can do it, can make it, what's wrong with you? Why can't you make it? Want to assure you that you can still make it. It is not late. That's why, among other reasons, I've invited these people to talk to you.
Pinabantu abariyo offices zechitinisa positions zamani konka nubar old students turukubamanya nubo bana barukuheza busubo bagenda no kubamanya tubine ko kushikira
gashaka Mike twakire
katomereho ntugaruka ntaganda makuru.
Ministry y'Obwegese n'Emizano eri kurabira omuntebekanisa ya Higher Education Students Financing Scheme nejusi yabona abaganyirwe omuntebekanisa yo kushomera hibanja kandi abucabujenye yabire bahirwe yahwireyo kumuhikiriza obujunanizwa bwanyu bwo kushashora roni okurugirira hakacweka akabirneshatu na 26 akiteka eri Higher Education Student Financing Act. Abakozesa ni mwe mwijukibwa kumanyisa ministry abantu abaganyiro mu ntebekanisa y'ukushomera hibanja abari hamirimo yanyu nkuko biragiro birikuragira okwanga kuratera ebiragiro necurugiriraho emitango hamwe na za mutice ebikukiraho tera note ibere note mwenda note mukaga itano mukaga itano naritayira website yitu ahari www.education.go.ug shashuri ibanja ryawe eri washomireho cebase MP hakurebeka kandi no kwigoro rwiji ahabwa abanda beji abatine cashorera okwika habiroto byabo ebyo bwegese obuharengurwa
Chigarama People Sacco keeps abakugu omukurwanisa obworo okubika sente hamwe no kwereza loans ahanshajinche babaretere kitereke cha Christmas rebe kitereke cyatandikire kandi okutaha omukazano akarkwija kwendera ebiro 20 byokwezi kwikumi omwaka ogu imwe ba members n'abari kwenda kwa ba members mwena numwakirwa okwigura account nishirinjo mutwaro gumwene chweka zonka nuko base kubika no kuyayo sente omumatajaga kanyeganyeje omurishema bwayegamba Nyakambu na Itendero omurishema Butare na Karungu omurbuhweju Mbarara City Ibanda omutauni hamwe na Sanga omurichuruhura district manya ebyo kwangura harmente amabuzi nebindi binji keeps financial services for all.
Musiko abadomu lwa katoli kundongozina
nanywedde kano ka Luvera chawuda drink kino kigaji kyaffe kyennyini kati ndi katyebule mutolo okolola okotyongoka kwata kano
Muzeekano bakayita batya
pineapple chawuda drink kakamuddwa mu nanasi
bojo
mutolo va mu bya bojo tugende tulabe kakiga
bangambye omubiri munafunafu kachigata ina maanyi.
Kachigaba ngambye tolina maanyi.
Iye naye nenfuna ow'amaanyi butamira ku soda drink. N'abawala nabo banywa obutamu.
Amazina ganje ni Mbabazi Emmanuel, hano y'amarembo trading center Chamunga. Tukora n'amashanyarazi ga fresh solar dukorire mu kumaro bwingi akube nyuma ho tukatine amashanyarazi turi kubona umurga uza kutegera hari kungatwiza fresh solar kuyizire twateka hasaruni.
Mweniwe oasaruni, abamashomero, abamaduka, abazafamu, n'abatunzi b'enkoko, banyina maka, abamabara na za hoteli. Tunga sora ya fresi, rero kora magoba. Ijuka ngo nibagikushumikira, bagikanike, kandi bagaruza mekiri kusisikara. Aho gabusha free. Ebiri kukiraho, tera, noti munana noti, hashatu na mukaga, hatanu na mushanju, ngaga ni itano, yabusha.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Hey yo yo, kaba tema kaba tema temenyota irinda pepsi Ferera jokora wangule birabo kakasa ruvimbo awangula yava mbiro kaba temenyota temenyota kaba temenyota kakasa ruvimbo
Temenyonta and win. Buy and drink any 300 ml Mirinda, Pepsi, 7-Up, Mountain Dew, or Evervest. Check under the ground and stand a chance to win from drones, Noah's, cash, borders, flat screens, and so much more. This promotion is valid for a limited time only. Terms and conditions apply.
Nimbaramuso mu izina lya Mukama witu Yesu Kristo. Amazina ni Evangelist Timothy Kabalebo wa Tiro IT Ministries eri kushangibwa amairi na Isinjo Road nitweto mu kushaba kuhango munonga okugwa akatane biro bishatu kandi ndi kuza kuba ningaba ekijuma murire ibiro hanga kozire murebere ebyo kutangaza muri nitubeta mu ijogo akatano ogwa katano mwije twena tufune ekijuma hanga naza kwakora ebyo kutangaza muzakumanibira umukono gwa Mukama mwene yimuri hona twabeta ijambo rundo gumpano za kurerekiranga nakore. Amen.
Iwo twire noteganisibwa abashuma ningo tari kumanya biri kufa muka yawe wabo tariho home scan bine za kamera zo mu maju ezo mu banka kamera ziri kukozesa sora kamera za hanguto obwoma bwa internet ebyoma byo kubara sente za radio call amasima gahameza ago mu office na hotels obwoma buri kuratiriza ekiruka cyawe kacaba kibirwe okwenda ngo manya y'icyatora ka ninga border tracking system aramuzo mu maju obwoma bwa hanyigi obwo kuteka mechinkumu access control and attendance machine hamwe n'ebindi byona ebyo rukwetenga ahabwa security yawe neka yawe narishi business yawe emihendo nimirungi ebiri kukiraho bashanje aharabajurwa kizimbe cyabire kiri muri Radio West aha High Street ningatera noti 3215 nkaga nina anana mwenda ninga not 885 ananina ananemwe not mushanju.
Welcome, wati? Welcome! What's our topic today?
Kutambulanga chindaolovu.
Bera mokirasi! The biggest back to school promotion season 3 is here. Bera mokirasi!
When you buy Focus products worth 16,000 to 24,000 Uganda shillings, you win a bucket or basin. And when you buy Focus products worth 45,000 and above, you win a school bag and lots of other prizes. Move it! All day confidence.
This is a people's game. They will be bubbling about this one for weeks and months to come.
Wherever you are, whatever your reason, it's on SuperSport all season long. Get and stay connected to DSTV Compact and GoTV Super Plus with Kawiki available on DSTV and GoTV.
Mommy?
Yes?
At school, everyone crunching.
Nange kumulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Anti ku highway nga mvuga. Sisumagire ekyo shuwa.
Kati nange bampakingire
Honey, mwana muwe. Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Nice place.
Thank you.
Now you can pay for GoTV weekly for as low as 5,000 Uganda shillings a week and enjoy your most loved entertainment with Kawiki. Dial star 206 hash or use the My GoTV app to pay. GoTV Uganda. Love it.
Musibire muta abantu batoro. It's a great day here in Fort Portal, where we've been rewarding our customers who have won school fees for the whole year.
No mega star 165 star then 80 hash nibakuhereza engenderwaho mbaire na hati school fees intakajimazireyo ndire na loan zegse school fees imbaire nsasuireyo obumpulire ngumpangwire school fees tinda kukira no kukikiriza nyogo obampere shite kunyoleka ngo mwana asasuira amaziri kandi asasuira omwaka gwonna guno mwaka najja gumara no gukwiza nagukwataho MTN yakikozi. Now I'm a winner. I thank MTN and I thank God.
Kurukayo mukahumuro makuru agebyemzano timu y'ompira gw'ebigere ya Bunyaruguru United etandikire kurunje mpaka za FUFA Big League za season egi banyuma yo kusinga Karunji United omuzano guhendire na goli birarusha omuzano guguzanirwa hachayi chamate home district ya Ntungamo.
Sofa nga omanyi big league like you have to fight tooth and nail no kulwana ennyo wekanza ojja kabuno kawe tutamudde n'omukisa ogw'enjawulo mukama kudala so tuwone obusatu era so kwebaza management mpira tegubadde mubi okay nga wao sichemba njadde njagala bwone obusatu era mbwebaliza Katonda tubufunye nenga ensamba tebadde nnungi don't tuli bapya tugezezaako okwagala abaana basambe bulungi kyokka tekisobose kati omupira gwa leero muliziza Yesu 1-0-2-1 but result tebadde mbi kusinziira ku bana opponent baba baagala win nafe twagala win nekikatonda kyageze next time maybe promising ajja kuba tujja win twawegemu promising abafanzi baffe kubanga tubadde tunteekamu bulungi nga bwokimanyi
timu ya Karunji indesi twasamba kubi muze twaruzinga yes tukajja ngo basamba je kandi waruzinga konka twatini challenges tukandise late kuzo mu camp some players reporting
Bereho kuba murebe murunji wa makuru Agacencwire wanakwisiao amakuru agana Mbabazi Charity na Sunday Brand ntwenda kwendeza omwebazi murunji kandi programs z'izindi studios gendo misho utakarga aha TV West.